Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix portrait mode not working on iPhone iOS 16 and 17. So I will request to my all friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest video, and do not waste any time. So this fix problem, the first solution, you restart your mobile, then volume up button and volume down button and press the power button. When you appear this Apple logo iPhone on screen, not increase then iPhone button, and your problem will be fixed and your iPhone restart and your problem 100% fixed. If there are first solution is not working on your iPhone, then second solution is reset iPhone. So tap on setting and scroll up and tap on general and scroll up and transfer reset, then click reset all setting and iPhone given a passcode, and then your problem will be fixed. If there are second solution is not working, third solution, and again open the setting and scroll up and then click on camera, and camera you must be then this option composition grid, composition numbering and first number grid you have must be off. I have already off, and you will be turned off, and your problem will be fixed. If there are third solution is not working, the fourth solution, you have again open the setting and click on general and click on software update. You must be sure to have software update install iOS update, and you have problem will be fixed. I have not updated software. You should be update on your mobile, and your problem will be fixed and 100% working this solution. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me in the comments know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.